Good morning children and welcome to my new class. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, that is nouns, number and gender. Before this we have already done nouns and its kinds, and we have already finished all the exercises also and discussed them. Now today we will be starting nouns, number and gender. Now before we talk about number, what do you mean by number? Nouns can be classified as countable or uncountable. As the name suggests, those nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. For example, cows, children, men, books, etc. Some nouns cannot be counted, but we can measure them or weigh them. Such nouns are called uncountable nouns, like water, rice, sugar, gold, happiness, etc. Now the uncountable nouns cannot be formed into plurals also. Like I cannot say waters, right? Sugars, we cannot say that. They'll remain in their original form. But we can form countable nouns as singular or plural. Now this characteristic of countable nouns is called number, that is singular or plural. So what we can say is the number is a distinction between nouns to express one thing or more than one thing. Now there are two types of numbers in English. If I say the singular number, like when it stands alone or as one person or one thing, then it is a singular number. Like book, chair, table, it means one. But when we talk about plural number, it means a noun that stands for more than one thing, like books, chairs, tables, cats, girls, etc. Now comes the most important part, that is the formation of plurals. This is very important, and this is one of the basic things which we should know. Most nouns form their plural by simply adding s, like apples, eyes, shops, cars, doors, curtains, etc. The nouns which are ending in s, ss, x, sh or ch, they will form their plurals by adding es, like losses, asses, brushes, benches, boxes. The nouns which are ending in y and are preceded by a consonant. I hope you all know what a consonant is. A consonant is the alphabet which is not a vowel. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, and a consonant is any other alphabet other than that. So we change it into plural by adding IES. So Y will be removed and IES will be added, like fairies, cities, babies, and so on. But if the ending Y is preceded by a vowel, then we simply add S. And we will not remove Y. It becomes journeys, space, monkeys, and so on. Now if you talk about the nouns which are ending in O and are preceded by a consonant, we add ES to it. Like volcanoes, echoes, potatoes, heroes, then cargoes, motors. Noun ending in double O, IO, EO, YO, and some words ending in O, exceptional cases, and are preceded by a consonant, they'll form their plural by simply adding S to it. Like bamboos, portfolios, photos, studios, pianos, etc. The nouns which end in F or FE, they'll form the plural by changing these to VES, like knives, shelves, lives, loaves, wives, and so on. The nouns which are ending in EF, EFF, ELF, RF, and some of the nouns which are ending in F, that is the exceptional ones, they'll be made into plural by simply adding S, like scarves, mischiefs, hoofs, proofs, chiefs, etc. Now these nouns which I'm going to tell you will be changed to their plural by changing the inside vowel. Like mouse will become mice. So here. Goose will become geese. Tooth will become teeth. And so on. A few nouns make plurals by adding en to the singular or sometimes altering the vowel. Like here, ox will become oxen, child will become children. A compound noun generally forms its plural by adding s. Now, what is a compound noun? A compound noun is generally a 2-word or a 3-word noun in which 2 or 3 words are combined, normally by using a hyphen, like stepson. So here the root will be made plural, like it will become stepsons. Washerman, so washermen. Father-in-law, fathers-in-law. Daughters-in-law. Passers-by, maid servants, lookers-on, and sons-in-law. I hope this is clear to you. Then we have compound nouns, which I was telling you. There are some nouns which take a double plural, like Lord Justice will become Lords Justices. Man servant will become men servants. Woman servant will become women servant. So I hope this is clear to you and you have understood it nicely. This is how we make plurals. We'll be discussing about gender in my next class, and I hope this is clear to you. So have a nice day and keep learning.